What is going on, my brodies? This is Andrew at B2AT Production and Publishing, bringing you guys a brand new YouTube video. In this YouTube video, I want to be talking about the brand new sample pack that we're giving away. This is a free sample pack. You don't need to do anything but go to the link down in the description and download that pack. In that free sample pack, we have 17 different folders that each contain 2 different melody compositions with their stems. So we're giving you about 1.1 or 1.11 gigabytes of free samples. In there, you're getting 34 different melody compositions or different loops, which also contains their stems in there. So if you guys want full creative freedom, you guys have it. The one catch is you guys don't get the MIDI. If you guys want the MIDI though, we have links to the products of where those samples are from in each folder. Now I figured we could go through that sample pack and see what's inside of there. We're giving you guys a bonus one, 2 samples from our Unreleased Rodway 4 sample and MIDI pack. We're giving you this sample called Breakup. And we're giving you this one. Those are 2 completely unreleased melody compositions, which are featured in the Rodway 4, which is coming out soon, depending when you see this video. And then we also are giving you 2 samples from the AT Pop 2, 2 from the AT Baby to Baby 2, 2 from AT Baby to Baby 3, 2 from the AT Hyperpop, 2 from AT OVO 2, AT Shiesty 2, AT The Goat 3, AT The Rage, AT The Voice, AT The Wave 3, AT Travis, AT UK Drill NYC 2, AT UK Drill NYC 3, AT Uzi Vert 2, Young AT3 and Young AT4. That's a lot of different products that we've released. We're giving you a little bit of taste from all these different products. Now we have a lot more products on our site and sample packs and MIDI kits on our website. We have a whole bunch of other stuff. So don't just think that we just have these 17. But we wanted to give you a taste of some of our most popular packs, which is these 17 packs. Sadly, we can't give away the MIDI, but if you guys like what you are hearing and if you're able to produce some super dope beats, then I highly, highly recommend checking out the full pack, because the full pack features the MIDI and it features 20 melody compositions of each pack. So we're only giving you 2, so there's 18 other ones in each of these packs. I mean, we're already giving you 34 different melody compositions, so I figured this would be the best way for unsure producers or unsure beat makers getting to try out some of our samples. I'm gonna pull up some of the samples in my playlist and show you guys what you guys are getting. And like I mentioned, you're getting the stems to all of these. We're not hiding anything. right off the Young AT4, which we just released. And that's only like a few of them. Like, you're getting a lot more than just those. So I highly recommend this pack. If you like it and you want to support us and you want us to keep making samples and loops and MIDI for you guys, then I highly recommend purchasing your favorite pack from it, because all that money and all the support we get from that is what is able for us to keep producing more content like this. If you happen to have any questions or issues with needing to access your downloads or any technical stuff, you can leave a comment down in the YouTube or shoot me an email over at contact@betaat.com. I'll put the email in this video. And I usually respond same day if it's Monday through Saturday. Inconveniences or anything of such happens, we can knock it out immediately. So yeah, this is Andrew at Beta AT Production and Publishing. I just wanted to make this quick video and quick announcement. If you enjoyed the content, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I will see you guys later. Adios.